difference between what pellets you use? So, like some of them have chemicals on them. Are you worried about that, or?
Well, most of these pellets that we've got here have a heat-treated symbol on them. Now you look for this symbol right here. Okay, you see the heat treat?
Yeah.
That's how they protect them against bugs and
Point
stuff,
again.
right? So if you'll see this symbol here, it's a heat-treated symbol, right? And you look for this symbol on your pellets. Now, if you're going to use it where, you know, food or living quarters, or you're going to be sitting on it or stuff, that's what you look for.
Okay.
You know, you want to make sure that all these pellets that are using for that kind of stuff have the heat treated symbol, and that's how they treat them for bugs and stuff. They don't spray a bunch of chemicals on them.
Oh, okay.
And they're just heat treated, so these are pretty safe to use.
All right.
Now, if you find a pellet that's like all blue or got some kind of blue on it, or really soiled with oil, or you know, them are ones you're not going to use inside a building, or you're close to food or plants or stuff like that.
Yeah.
But the heat-treated ones are known to be a safe way to do it, right?
Okay. And the right pellets, right?
Yeah, I mean, you just got to use common sense what you're using them for.
Okay, yeah.
You know, you wouldn't want to take a pellet and use it for food preparation.
Yeah.
You know, because they're industrial, they're outside, they're scraping along the floor, they got forklifts that are running them, they're inside containers, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a sterile, even a heat-treated thing is not sterile.
Okay.
You know, if you got a heavily soiled pellet, you don't want to use that where, you know, it's like any other paint product, wood product, or stain product. Don't lick it.
Yeah.